buddy. Good to see ya. I've got a special training video for you today. How to prevent watershed disasters. You are going to love it.
How to prevent watershed disasters. There are a lot of potential disasters that could happen in the watershed, especially as we start to increasingly experience the effects of climate change, like hotter temperatures, more severe storms, loss of species, and poverty and displacement. This video is focusing on issues of flood and drought. Back in 2013, the southern Alberta flood caused about $5 billion in damage to property and infrastructure and displaced over 80,000 Albertans. The ongoing drought that Alberta has been experiencing for the past 2 decades has cost the Canadian economy nearly $6 billion and has led to increasingly long, severe wildfire seasons. So, how did we get here? Well, flood and drought are naturally occurring, but we are experiencing them more and more often these days, and they are less predictable than they once were. We've changed a lot about the landscape over the past century, like draining wetlands and building right up to the banks of rivers and lakes. We've added a lot of concrete and asphalt structures, which act like a water slide, collecting, diverting, and pooling water. We rely on a lot of built infrastructure to guide water to where we want it to go. So, what can we do to help prevent or lessen the impact of these climate-related natural disasters? We need to work with nature rather than against it. We can restore wetlands and riparian areas. These natural features help slow the flow of water and store it for later use, helping us to become more resilient to floods and drought. We can create resilient infrastructure by maintaining roads and drainage systems. We can also create resilient communities by using low-impact development methods like pervious pavement, green roofs, and rain harvesting, as well as using bioretention or rain gardens to store and soak up water, preventing pollutants from entering waterways. We can reduce our individual water consumption and reuse water where possible. Collaboration is important, and we need to work together to create a more resilient watershed. There are several key groups in Alberta working together to tackle the big watershed problems. Groups like the Alberta Water Council, which advises on provincial policies and actions. The Government of Alberta, that provides policies, regulations, and resources at the provincial level. Watershed Planning and Advisory Councils, that bring people together to discuss the big issues and develop solutions within their watersheds. And watershed stewardship groups. Those groups take community-level action to safeguard local natural areas and water bodies. However, for these groups to be effective, they need everyone to step up and be part of the solution, including industry, nonprofits, agricultural producers, municipalities, and everyday people. Our collective action can help us all to become more resilient and create a better landscape and healthier water for our families, our neighbors, and future generations.
There are a lot of great ideas in that video. Hey, what's the name of the Watershed Planning and Advisory Council in our watershed? I want to learn more.
Great question. I'll tell you all about them on the way to lunch. Let's go. It's on me.